Hello, guys. I hope that you're doing good. Today, I'm going to show you how to do the change of oil filter, and also we're going to do the air filter for the engine and for the cabin. And I want to show you this. This is a 2010 Elantra. This is a blue model. This is how they call it. Basically, it has 51,000 miles, and as you can see, pretty good condition. And this is for my daughter. All right, so we're going to do the change for only $51, and we are going to use very good materials. For example, we are going to use Mobile One 5W20, 5 gallons. It costs $29 on Amazon. I will add the description of the product. Also, we will need the oil filter for this one. This is a Fram, and it is about $6, free shipping. This is the engine filter, and it's about $9. And this is the cabin air filter for $7. So this is the materials that we need to buy. And for me, I already have the ramps that we're going to use in order to go underneath, and this is the oil deposit we're going to store the old Andiri oil. All right, let's do this. So right now, what we're going to do is to set up the ramps. I'm just going to leave them here, and I will bring the car closer. And we're going to let the engine run a little bit, just to warm up the oil, so we can go underneath and then replace it. This is basically the oil check stick, and this is the oil cap. So you can see that it's 5W20, and it's the one that we're going to use here, 5W20. Okay, first things that we need to do is to locate where the filter is. So if you go to the left, no, I'm sorry, to the right side of the car, this is the filter, oil filter, and this is the oil pan. So this is the oil pan. Here it is, and also we have the oil pan. I'm sorry, the oil bottle, in order to put all the oil. So then make sure that you have a 17 ratchet, and loose it, and then you should be able to remove it loose, and just trying to avoid the spill. One, I'm pushing so it doesn't drip. 1, 2, 3. Okay, in the meantime that we are doing the oil drip, or to remove all the oil from the car, we're going to check
the washer and the stud on the bolt to cover it, or to cover the oil pan.
So something to check. So every bolt has this. Make sure that it's okay, that it doesn't have the thread incorrectly or damaged. So this looks like a good bolt. And then also check your crush washer. This is going to make that there is no leaks, because these are made from aluminum that is softer. So once you tighten it, it's going to be it's going to adapt to the surface of the bolt and the surface of the oil pan. That way, it's going to be sealed.
Okay, after the oil is drained, you can clean the area. Once it's clean, it's going to keep dripping, but it's fine because what we're doing here is we're just removing the excess of oil. It will keep dripping, but then we're going to put our bolt. Means that is good to torque, good to the torque. Make sure to clean this area, because once we are done with the oil change, we want to make sure that this area keeps clean and not spilling anything. Let me try to get a better look. Yeah, okay. So now, second thing is to remove the oil filter. So this one is going to be a little bit of a mess, because we have this tray. Let me move it. So we have this tray. So I will try to remove it by hand, but whew, it's very sorry. So, but it's very tight.
So after so many trials, this shouldn't be tight that much. It has to be by hand. So what I will do, I will buy the correct tool for this one. But as you can see, we were able to remove it. Okay, next step. Now that we have our new filter, as you can see, this has some grip, so that way you can do it with your hand. So I will do a little bit of pre-fill. I'm not going to fill everything because this goes in an angle. So you do it just like that. As you can see, it has oil inside. And then we're going to lube the seal. You can just do it around. All right, now we're going to put it in the car. Okay, now what we're going to do is to change the oil. What we're going to do is I just did a little bit of a cleaning here just to start clean. Here is where it says 5W20. And so in order to do this, we're going to use a funnel. Make sure that the funnel is clean. We're going to use 5W20. So now that we replace the oil, what we're going to do, we're going to check the oil. So in order to check it, we have to make sure that the oil stick is clean. No oil. So it seems like it's full. We can see this. Oh, this dot is here, so we're good. I will do another. Okay, so this is it for the oil change, and now we're going to proceed to the air filter. For the oil filter, what we are going to do is we're going to remove this clip, a third clip over here, and a fourth one in the other corner. Once the clips are moved, we just need to it breathes the air from here, goes, and then goes to the air filter box, and then our new filter cost $9, and basically I think it's cheap to replace them. You can use another kind of filters like K&N or something like that, but for this kind of car, I think this is great. All right, so we have oil filter and air filter for the engine. Let's move to the cabin filter, air cabin filter. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to replace the air filter for the cabin. In order to do this, I thought that you have to pull this in order to remove the tab, but no. So I will show you how. You just go pull the tab and then pull it against you. And now it's loose. The same with this. So the best thing is to remove it completely and then do the other one. Okay. Now we have to remove the damper that is in the other side. Ooh. All right. So once we remove it, there are a tab here. There's these tabs. Oh my god, it's difficult to do it with one hand. Okay. This will be interesting. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. So now we're going to use the new one, and let's see. So here's the filter. It says that the airflow goes like this, so it has to go like this. All right, so we have all done. And I almost forget. So we need to fill this data for the next service. That way, I tell my daughter to make sure that the next service is being done on time. All right. The car sounds good. What is happening right now? All the oil is moving through all the areas, all the parts of the engine, and also it's filling the new oil filter that we have. So okay, let's go down underneath the car and see if there is any leaks. So now we are underneath the car. We don't see any leaks there, and we don't see leaks here either. So this is pretty good. All right, so this is a summary of what we did. We replaced the oil for the engine. We replaced the oil filter that is underneath. We had a big problem with one of the filters because I didn't have the correct tools. We replaced the air filter. I hope that you like it. Please follow me and subscribe. And if you have any comments, please make a question on the comments below. Thank you.